Hi you guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited because I love to watch fashion out in the world, but I know nothing about fashion myself. And being tall, well, I guess 5'7.5" is tall. Um, and me being plus size and on top of that, kind of weirdly built, but I'm thankful for, my body. But let's face it, I'm not built like, the hourglass woman. But it's okay. I take that and I'm thankful for it. But it's just a challenge out there to find clothing that fit me. So I've been eyeing this website for a while. I mean, I put things in my buggy or my basket online and I take it back out, or I just don't even like buy anything. But I took the leap and I bought uh just a little bit of clothing on a site called BooHoo. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it correctly. If not, let me know down in the comments how you correctly pronounce this. But I didn't buy a lot of things because I wanted to test the waters first just to see how they fit. And then if everything works out well, I mean, boom, I'm back at it buying things from the website BooHoo. So this is my BooHoo bag. I believe I ordered it on February 10th. But me being here in Texas, I mean, there was a horrible, horrible snowstorm. I don't even remember it being this snowy even when I was little. But apparently, our last snowstorm, you guys, was back in 1986 or something. But yeah, it snowed a lot and we lost power. With that being said, I believe that's why my package took so long to deliver, which is fine. I just know the next time I order it's going to be a little quicker, so I don't have to worry about that. But this is the package it came in. Boo hoo. Oh, and forget my nails. I did turmeric uh, shots last night and it just stained my nails, so look over that. But yes, pink pretty bag with a princess on it. Yes. So let's open this bad boy up. Let's see. I guess there's no no right or wrong way to open it. There's no perforations or anything, but that doesn't matter. So with it being winter here, I just went ahead and got a nice little sweater. And this is a blue one here. I think it's blue corded. I don't know. Let's open it up and see. And after we open up everything, you guys, I'll do like a little try on, little haul. You know what? Let me back this back. Okay. Here we go. That's a little better, right? Okay. I don't know if that's going to look like it did in the picture, but we will see. Okay, so let's see what we have next. Throw that aside. Almost forget what I ordered. I guess this is a little casual sweater, if I remember correctly. I don't know what it's made of, but we'll try it on. Next. Dress pants. The material on these feel pretty good so far. They feel like they would survive a wash, more than a wash. These are dress pants, you guys. I don't know. The crouch kind of seem a little long, but hey, I mean, we're gonna try these bad boys on and see what's really popping, right? Not bad, not bad. We'll see. Okay, so next. Okay, so I mean, I can't afford leather pants. I guess I could if I wanted to, but I just don't want to spend the money. So I got faux leather pants. I guess these are faux leather pants. No, it's just called Runch Bum Leggings. Okay, but anyway, they're cute. But they look a little see-through. Maybe it's just me, but you know, we'll try them on and see what the real deal is. Anything else in the bag? No freebies? Anyway, so I like lounge clothing, so I got a pair pants and pants set for lounging. Kind of cute, kind of cute. Look at there. It's soft. Look like the sleeves will be long enough. Because I hate short sleeves. My arms are long, you guys. Don't worry about my arms. I'm tightening them up. Yeah, I'm working on that summertime fine body currently. I'll get there. Just a little work in progress. Nice. And if I remember correctly, there's like no receipt in the bag to say, hey, you bought this and this is how much this cost. But if I remember correctly, the price I paid for all these pieces were like $84, and then you had to pay for shipping. Yeah, don't quote me on that, but that's around about how much I paid for everything. So yes, so let's try these bad boys on. Okay guys, this is outfit number 1. I bought the pants and the sweater to go together. I don't know if I have this habit of buying things that are too big and actually don't know my size, but I feel like maybe this is oversized. I don't know, maybe not. Maybe this is how it's supposed to be. But yeah, the pants, no booty, I know. Don't come at me in the comments. But anyway, so here are the pants. They're a little short, and I thought they would be more tapered off at the bottom, but that's okay. So here's a close-up. Yeah. The back is supposed to be runched. There you go. So let me drop. Actually, it's this long, but I kind of runched it up a little bit just so to have that overlay look. I mean, it's not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. I would wear it. Okay. Outfit number 2. Okay, you guys. The shirt is the only one to even consider in this try on. Yeah, I don't like the puffy sleeves. I mean, like, this doesn't do anything for me. And then whenever I do this, I mean, my stomach shows. I don't know if that's supposed to happen, or am I just, this is the right way. I guess the right way. But yeah, it makes me look bigger than what I already am. I mean, I'm not knocking BooHoo. It could be that I'm just choosing the wrong styles and the size for my body. So if you know any places that I can, you know, get the right style for my body, somebody help me out. I need a stylist or something. I'm just saying. But yeah, this is a no. No. Okay, you guys. I think I was right about 2 things. Let me just move this out of the way. So here are the pants. You probably can't see all the way to the bottom. They're extra long, which I like. But the problem is they're high-waisted, number 1. I have no waist. But we could make that work. But you remember I was telling you the crotch is long? I don't like that because now it looks like, I mean, look at that. I mean, look at that. I can't do anything with these. And number 2, I think I bought them too big. So, I mean, you can pull them every which way. It's okay. That's a good thing though, because that means I'm losing weight or getting in shape, which I have been trying to do anyway. But this one's a no, unfortunately. Now I gotta check to see what the return policy is because, I mean, look, that's not sexy. Not sexy. Okay, real talk. This might be the only thing I keep because it is super comfortable. Okay, I mean the pants are a little baggy, but I don't like tight stuff anyway. I'm lounging in it, like, come on. But hey, I'm gonna be sporting this one around the house for sure. Comfy, comfy. The material is soft. Yeah. So this one's a keeper, okay? So let me pull up a chair. I tried BooHoo. And like I said, it could be me choosing the wrong clothing or the wrong size. Yeah, I've never been good with fashion. So I don't blame the company. I just blame myself. Until I find my style and my right size, it's going to be a journey. Would I order from BooHoo again? Probably, but not until I know my style and my size. With that being said, help a sister out. If you know any fashionable, trendy places for plus size 14, drop comments in the comments section below because I need help. So with that being said, peace.